Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you how to take picture from your web camera and actually convert this into a PDF document, add it to a PDF document using jsPDF library. So you can just see here I just got access to my web camera. So this is actually the application. We have a button right here of capture image. If I click this button right here, it will take a snapshot of my web camera. It will take this photograph, and there is a button out there which will generate the PDF document. So it will actually add this image to this PDF document. So the PDF document will be generated and it will actually have this image added to the PDF document using Base64 code. So we will actually convert this image which is taken by the web camera and we will add this to this canvas. You will see that as we are clicking this button, it is taking the picture from the camera and it is displaying it in this canvas, and then we are actually converting this canvas to a PDF document using Base64 code using JSPDF library. So we will try to actually show you guys in this tutorial how to insert image taken from web camera in the PDF document using JSPDF library. So this will be a complete tutorial. The link will be given in the description if you want the full source code. So now let's get started by building this application. So as I already told you guys, we are actually using the JSPDF library, which will be a client-side JavaScript PDF generation library. It has a Node.js module, but we will be using it in the browser using CDN. So now let's get started. So just make a index.html file. This will be for, just make this, you can simply say JSPDF webcam image to PDF example. And for doing this guys, we do need to include the CDN for JSPDF, which is actually a script tag. Just after the title, just include the source https cdnjs.cloudflare. Will be using the CDN from Cloudflare, Ajax, libs, which is actually a library, JSPDF 1.5.3. This is the version number that we are using, JSPDF min.js. Just see guys, we are actually getting the CDN from cloudflare.com, and this is the version number that we are using, 1.5.3 JSPDF min.js. After this, we will actually have a simple heading. We will simply say webcam image to PDF, and then we will have a video tag where it will be actually be showing the webcam video of the user. We'll be giving an ID to it of video. We'll be giving a width of 640 and a height of 480. So here the video will autoplay the the video tag, and then we will be having a canvas where we will be showing the output. When we take the photograph, we will be showing it in this canvas. The width will be the similar, which will be 640, and the height will be again 480. And we have given this canvas element an ID here. So just that if we click the button of capture image, it will, the photograph will be displayed in this canvas tag. Then we have two buttons. For first, for capturing the image, we have given an ID to it of capture image, and the label of this button will be capture image. And the second button will be to actually generate the PDF. So we will simply say generate PDF. We will be giving an ID to it of generate. So if you see in the browser what it looks like, it actually have a simple two buttons in the capture image and generate PDF, and then we have the canvas tag and the video tag. It is not working now. We just need to write the JavaScript code for this. So now to access the web camera of the user, we first of all need to get access to the video element. So we will simply say we will target the video element by its ID that we have given, document.getElement by ID. So we have given the video element, if you see an ID here, we are targeting right here using getElement by ID. After we get this, we need to get the canvas element as well. So const canvas document.getElement by ID canvas. So we are simply targeting the ID that we have given to the canvas element. If you see, we have given an ID here. We are simply targeting it. After that, we need to get the context here of the canvas. We can simply use the function canvas.getContext, 2D context we need to get, and then we need to simply bind a on-click listener to the when we click the capture image button. So we need to first of all get access to that button. We have given an ID here. If you see to the button, we have given an ID. So we are simply targeting it by get element by ID. So we need to simply bind a on-click listener. So right here, first of all, as we load the page, we need to get access to user web camera. So for doing this, we will be using the Navigator API, which is built in every browser. Navigator.mediadevices.getUserMedia, get user media, sorry. This will get access to the user web camera. Video, we will set it to true. We don't need the audio of the user. Simply we need the video to get the photograph. This returns a promise. We will be handling it by .then. It will get access to the user stream in this stream variable, and then we will be assigning this to the video element. Video.source object is equal to stream. So if you just write this line of code and if you refresh your browser, you will actually get the user stream. If you see the camera, if I show you, we are getting access to my web camera. So I can see myself in the web camera. So now after getting access to my web camera, I need to capture the image. So for capturing the image, it's very simple. We bind a on-click listener to it, add event listener. When we click this button, it will actually execute this callback function, and inside this callback function, we will actually draw an image on the context, draw image from the webcam video. X coordinate, Y coordinate will be 0, 0, and then the canvas width, canvas height. That's all. So if you just now click that button of generate, if you see, if you click that button of capture image, the image will be taken, the photograph will be taken. You will see that. Now to get basically add this image in the PDF document, we will get access to the generate button element. So we have given an ID to it of generate. If you see in the HTML, we have given this ID generate. We are targeting it by get element by ID, and then we will bind a on-click listener to this button as well. So right here we basically say we need to first of all encode this image to base64 code. So you simply say base64 URL. So we simply get the base64 URL by using this function canvas to data URL. This is a function which is built in every browser. Here we need to provide the image extension. Either it can be PNG or JPG. Because it's a JPG image, we would simply say like this. Then we basically set the image width. So we can get this using doc.internal. For this, we do need to instantiate a new instance globally. If we need to create a variable. For this, we need to initialize JSPDF. So we actually instantiate a new instance of this class JSPDF and storing it inside this doc object. You can see we have included the CDN at the very top so that we can create a new object of this class of JSPDF constructor. And now using this object, it contains a function right here to get the internal width of the page, doc.internal page size dot get width. This line of code will get the width of the page of the PDF document. Similarly, to get the height of the PDF document, we will declare a variable image height document internal dot page size dot get height. Then we will basically add the image in the PDF document using JSPDF. For doing this, we have a function which is add image, and we will be using this approach. We will be using this base64 code that we got, base64 URL. We will simply pass it to this function base64 URL, and then it's a JPG image. and then the x coordinate, y coordinate, and then the image width that we calculated, and the image height. That's all. So after this, we need to save our PDF document. So for saving it, we'll use the save function, and we'll be giving a name to it of output.pdf. That's all. So this is the overall application, guys. If I refresh this application and repeat this process, if I inspect element, let me see what is the error. It is saying JSPDF is not defined. Let me see, guys, what is the problem. JSPDF is not defined. I think I made a mistake in getting the CDN. Let me paste the correct CDN. All the source code is given in the description, guys, so just make sure that you do this. Now you can see we are getting the camera stream right here. So if I click this button of capture image, it will take the photograph, and then if I click the generate PDF, it will add this image in the PDF document with full head width and full height. You can see that. So in this way, you can actually take the photograph and encode that image using Base64 code and add this into your PDF document using jsPDF library. This is a complete example, and the full source code is given in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching this. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well for more videos like this, and I will be seeing you in the next one.